Let us help you plan your trip today.
We can make it here in a day. It looks really pretty there.
Yeah, that sounds great. I can get started working on the permit.
Okay, I'll call the ranger station just to check on the conditions for tomorrow.
Give us a call if you have any questions regarding permits, weather conditions, or closures.
Hey, I don't know what we're gonna do. My printer's not working.
Oh, we're actually having problems with our printer. Can you print the permits we reserve online?
No problem.
Great. We'll come first thing in the morning.
From Memorial Day to September 30th, the Visitor Center is open 7 days a week from 8 to 4:30 p.m. Hi, welcome to Pacific. How's it going?
Great, thanks. We're headed up to Desolation Wilderness.
Okay, so you guys need a permit?
We reserved one online, but we need to print it here.
Sure, not a problem.
Yep, that all looks right.
So you're going to want to initial next to each of these items here. That shows to our wilderness rangers that you know and understand the regulations of desolation. And after you've done that, you're going to sign this box here to validate your permit. And that would be you agreeing to help us preserve the wilderness character of desolation.
Cool. Thanks for pointing that out.
A lot of folks aren't sure how to tell if they're 100 feet from water, so we're going to show you a trick. 35 steps! You can measure out your steps before you go, or take at least 35 3-foot steps.
So I think I found us a good spot. It's back over there about 100 feet from the water, plus it's already an established site.
Great. Lead the way.
Cool.
Remember to choose a campsite 100 feet from water sources and trails. Don't forget to put all food and scented items in a bear-proof canister 100 feet from camp. And when you're disposing of human waste, make sure you're 200 feet from water sources and trails.
The laws and regulations are what comes to mind for most visitors when they think of impacting the land. What we ask people to remember instead is the wilderness itself. Every trip to desolation and every action we take impacts the wilderness. Deciding to have a campfire means that there's less wood to decompose back into the soil. Improper disposal of human waste and toilet paper can spread disease and make water unsafe for drinking. Entering without a permit reduces other visitors' opportunities for solitude. Groups larger than 12 not only do the same, but they also impact the natural resource by causing increased trampling and erosion. The effect we have on the wilderness and how it impacts the natural resources and the other visitors is what we must consider when deciding to do the right thing. We shouldn't ask, what could happen to me, but instead, what could happen to the land.
You wanna go hiking, Sam? Yeah, cool. Where do you wanna go?
Good morning. Do you have a wilderness permit?
Yeah, of course. I've got it right here.
I'll just sign off on it and you guys will be good to go.
Okay.
By the way, thanks for choosing a good campsite. Appreciate that.
No problem. Yeah, it's a great spot.
It always makes sense to prepare before you go. Play it smart and plan ahead for your trip today.